You take it to the pool?
No, I'm in here.
Oh, Hanky, I don't think we're going to the pool today. Did you see outside? What's happening outside right now?
No walking.
Is it snowing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's snowing outside?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to One Feisty Mama. Today I'm doing a master bedroom and bath clean with me, so let's get to it. So I just got started with stripping our sheets and putting our flannel ones back on. I washed these a couple of days ago and they weren't dry in the dryer by the time it was time for us to go to bed. So I had to touch them up and put our just cotton sheets on, and it's still a little too chilly to be sleeping with cotton sheets. We much prefer the flannel ones. So I'm just getting these back on our bed for the day, and I'm going to get the other sheets into the wash. And now I'm going to use the Method multi-purpose spray in the pink grapefruit scent just to clean off all of the big surfaces in our room. You could use Wood for Good from Method or any other kind of furniture polish, but these bedside tables and then the shelf that I'm also going to be dusting in just a few minutes here are made of not a smooth surface kind of wood. They're more like a driftwood, like beachy wood. So I just prefer to use the multi-surface spray to clean them instead of something with a waxy buildup. Now onto my desk area. I have been a sign making machine, so there's lots of little paper crumbs and just dust and general stuff all over my desk. So I'm gonna give it a good cleaning so that I can get back to work on signs later this afternoon. And then I'm also gonna go through my little bill organizer that's hanging on the wall right there and put away anything that needs to be put away, make a little shred pile, and throw away all the trash that's in there. And Hanky is obsessed with spraying bottles right now, so I'm letting him spray a little bit of this cleaner on my Norwex cloth, and I'm so comfortable with these cleaners that I feel like that's an okay thing. I'm not worried about him smelling them. It doesn't hurt my lungs. I'm sure that he'll be okay too, but he really likes to spray cleaners right now and has been getting into a lot of mischief by trying to spray things. So we might have to put some baby locks on some of the cabinets that hold cleaners, but I do try to keep most of them in the laundry room in a bucket. And all the little fingerprints all over the mirrors in our bedroom, and they get dusty pretty easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all cleaned up too before I head on to the bathroom. And then in the bathroom, I like to clean up anything that I'm not gonna be using for the rest of the day, which is everything. So I clear off the countertops and then I can start cleaning. And I brought a trash bag in here just because I'm going to be going through the underneath of our cabinets really quick and just giving them a once over. I did put our medicine bins in our cabinets down here, so another reason why I need to get some child clips for the cabinet doors. But I'm just gonna go through everything really quick and throw out anything that's expired or that's broken and we don't need. I also decided to go through a big bin of makeup that I had under here and a giant 31 makeup bag. And I just wanted to go through everything because I do get a monthly Ipsy subscription bag and I have so many that still have products in them and I just need to go through it. So I decided to actually make up a bag for our babysitter and see if she wants some of these things. Some things are old makeup like eyeshadows or really off the wall colored eyeliners and mascaras, and she's really into all of that. So I think that she'll enjoy that, and I'll save those and set them aside for her. And then I'm just gonna rebox up anything that I think I want to keep that's outside of my normal makeup routine, and then add anything that I think I might use into my everyday makeup bag. I really like the clear acrylic makeup boxes whenever I see them with the little drawers for all of your makeup that you can keep on your counter. But I'm also a big fan of having clutter-free counter, so I just don't think that that is something that will work for me. I just like to stick to a makeup bag that I pull out and put away after I use it every time. Leave me a comment down below if you have the acrylic organizers or if you put all of your makeup in a drawer or a makeup bag like myself, and let me know what you do down below.
Saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop and falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
As always, I have my little sidekick over here going through everything with mommy and trying to help, although usually he makes more of a mess, but he's a cutie, so I'll put up with it. And I don't know if anyone noticed, but my hair is all natural today, and I didn't use any heat products. I'm just trying to give it a little break since I know that we'll be inside for most of the day because of the snow.
Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me
Okay, everything has a home again for now, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick all of the makeup and supplies that I have for our babysitter. Lots of masks and good stuff like that. So I think that she'll enjoy that. Really fun stuff. Right now I'm just spraying the anti-bac cleaner into the sink so that this can sit for a little while I go on to other projects like cleaning the mirrors and cleaning the countertops off. And I like to do it this way because I start at the top and knock any kind of debris or anything like that that might fall onto the countertops. And then from there I clean countertops and then I clean out the sink basin. And I just feel like this is a more efficient way of cleaning. It gets all of the debris off of a surface and you're not, starting from the bottom and working your way up and then ending up with dust all over your counters that you just cleaned. So that's the way I like to do it. Leave me a comment down below if you do it a different way. Black granite countertops really show everything, and it's not bad when it's just Nick and I using this bathroom, but our kids currently brush their teeth in the mornings and at night in our bathroom as well, and oh my goodness, their toothpaste spit and splatter goes all over the countertop and I have little white spots everywhere. So I started leaving a bottle of the Clorox wipes underneath the sink just for easy wipe up for the daily, especially after the kids are in there. I'll brush my teeth and then I'll wipe down the counters really quickly. But you'll see me right now, I'm just going back over everything I just wiped with the Clorox wipes with that wet Windex paper towel, and it really shines up the oil rub bronze really well. And now I'm just using a scrub brush that I keep hanging in my shower at all times because I like to clean my shower while I'm in there. That's why you won't see me cleaning it today. Won't give you that show. But anyway, I like to clean the sinks and the tub, everything with this scrub brush, and it works so well. So I let the Antibac method cleaners sit in there for as long as I can, and then I give everything a really good scrub and rinse. And now I'm going to do the same thing I did with the sink, and I'm going to spray down the bathtub with the Antibac cleaner as I move on to the bathroom and just let that sit for a while. I think that you'll read on most disinfectant sprays, you're supposed to leave it sitting on the surface before you try to clean everything for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure that you read the directions on your bottle when you're using any kind of surface disinfectant.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight.
Now that I have the bathroom clean, I'm just going to get all these dirty towels and the bath mats out of the bathroom and into the laundry room so that they can be washed after those sheets. And I'm going to replace them with nice clean ones. And I like to do this at least once a week, sometimes more if they have toothpaste or, fun stuff on them. Or if we've been sick, I'll replace them more like every other day and just keep on top of the towel washing. But now I'm going to move on to the floors since I have those mats up. And I like to start with vacuuming in our closet because it honestly doesn't get vacuumed as often as it should. And I feel like it does get a little bit dusty in there. It must be from our ductwork, even though we change our filters quite frequently. I do notice a lot of dust in our closet. But anyway, I'm going to clean the floors by vacuuming everything, getting up all the dust, and then I'm going to hit the floors with my Norwex microfiber mop.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through.
Okay guys, now I'm almost done. I'm just gonna finish up with the mopping. I hope that you liked this video and that if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up so that I can keep creating videos that you guys like. And I'd also love it if you join our little YouTube family here by hitting that subscribe button. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week and have a nice weekend. And hopefully your weather is a little bit better than ours, although I am enjoying all of this snow. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.